Hey everybody. Yep, I've done it. I went online, placed an order at Hobbytown. Got me an SEX24 1967 Chevrolet C10 truck. That's a pretty little truck. So, not only did I get that, but the main reason why I went online to get was this Pro Scale Light Kit for my new 2021 Bronco. I got to put this in. And while we was there, of course, I took my lovely wife with me. We walked around the store a little bit, looking at odds and ends and things, and walked back there to the RC area. They had this on display. And yes, she snatched one off the shelf. Here she is.
I went to the hobby shop today and I found this 35 hot rod truck. And I just fell in love with it. And yes, of course, I had to get it. And I am ready to unbox it to let you all see what beauty it is.
You'll probably have to get a clipper for it.
Yep, I sure will. I have to go get some scissors. I'll be right back. I've got it clipped. Gotta take the
body clips out of the back.
Take the body pins off. Let's see what a beauty this is. Woo-wee. Look at that pretty red. Now this comes in red and silver, but I like the red. It comes with the lights in it, already wired up for you. Comes with this clip.
This is a bumper pad right there. It might be in the box.
Yeah. Comes with this clip right here. It just clips right here to the front of it. And then here's your post right here. That goes through the back of the bed. You just sit it in there. And then it's got your manual and your wrenches that you need for it. Traxxas. Look how pretty this looks, how it pops. All them red colors pops together. Look at it. Look at it in the sunlight. Isn't that pretty? Really nice. Look at the front end of this. Look what the front end of it looks like. Boy, that's pretty. Look at that. Look, it's even got the mirrors on it already. Look at it. Look at the tail of it. Look at it pop in the sunlight. Look at that bed. Look at that. Look at it popping in the sunlight. Isn't that pretty? Yes. Look at it. Look at all of it just popping. Yes. Isn't that a beauty? Okay, it comes with straight tires on it.
Custom wheels.
Custom wheels.
Custom old school steel looking wheels.
Yes. Okay.
Bone whips. Titan 12-turn brushed motor.
It's got a
standard Traxxas XL5 ESC, brushed ESC, servo saber. Yep.
And a servo.
The servo, the receiver waterproof box for the receiver. the battery hold down right here. It takes a 26 mil and a 23 mil battery. So for your thicknesses, comes with oil-filled shocks in the front end and the rear end. It looks like they're non-adjustable for your ride height on that part of it, but they are screw adjust for your tensions. So they're in there. That is good. Of course, you got your light plug right here to plug in your lights for your body. Standard Traxxas plug if you've got a Traxxas battery. We got an adapter to go to Dean's with it. So that's what we use. It's a pretty sharp looking little rig now for a Traxxas hot rod, old school looking thing. I like it. Thank you, honey, for picking that up. I like it more here at home than what I did on the shelf.
And it's 4-wheel drive?
4-wheel shaft driven. Huh.
Yes, it'll be fun to play with.
Yes,
and
it will.
I'm planning on putting drift tires on it so I can drift it,
Heck
too.
Yeah.
So it'll be fun. We got a nice place to drift with.
Yeah, we do.
Thank you, like, and subscribe.